not even joking right now. Angry. Top of the morning, top of the evening, guys. Damn, she is angry. She's mad I haven't driven her like that in a while. Oh man. Hope you guys all been doing well. It's been a while since I posted on here. I missed posting on here. I want to give you guys a little update on what's been going on in my life. It's freaking cold out. We got freezing weather. My body hates it, but the car loves it. This thing screams when it gets cold, especially on a cold starts, revving the engine at high RPMs. It's lovely. Anyways, there's been a lot going on, honestly. I've been super busy, just a lot of things on my plate, physically and mentally, and I just haven't really had the time. I mean, I have had the time at times, but I just feel so mentally and emotionally drained and just don't really have a creative bone in me at times. But then sometimes you just gotta go for a drive. And then once I go for a drive, you know, it makes me think of how I haven't been really doing any YouTube videos. And I don't know, it just kind of all spirals back together. It just feels like I'm not doing the things that I want to be doing and putting time into the things that I actually want to be doing in my life. Instead, I'm dedicating a lot of time to other shit that in the end doesn't really mean much. And then just distractions and vices, and you know, life gets tough, but there's good things that we got to be grateful for. And everybody has things they should be grateful for, you know, unless you're like a whole entire species got killed and you're stuck in a jail cell and you're done. But anyways, so yeah, honestly, I just been working a lot. I don't know if I've probably said this before, but I manage a restaurant, and I'm also starting a little now, but big later, a window tinting business. I've been doing it for like the past 2 years. I get clients here and there, but then it's just another one of those things, just like YouTube, I just kind of pick up and half-ass, or like I get really into it for a few weeks and then I just drop down, and I need to really I think it's other variables in my life that are affecting that I need to really focus on stopping and swapping, with basically being focused on making content and focusing on what I want to pursue with my dreams and aspirations. God damn. So, majority of what my time has been going to these days, and these months actually, like the past 3, 4, 5 months, is I just ended up buying a house with my girlfriend, and we've been kind of like renovating and moving in and out. But we are basically moved in. I'm actually about to go grab some boxes from my house. That's part of what I'm about to do. And then at my house, or I keep saying my house, but my parents' house, I have a little shop where I do my tinting and my detailing out of, and I have a customer coming to get 2 window tints removed on her Tesla because she needs to return it tomorrow or something. Just for those 2 windows, getting the tint removed is going to be $100, so it should take me less than 30 minutes. I got a little steamer, which makes it way easier for me to do, and it should be $100 in well under an hour. no stop sign. Good brakes. So yeah, I've been trying to focus more on my business. I've been running Google ads, but they haven't been too successful, and I've just been throwing a lot of money, so that's stressing me out as well. It's just you know, a lot of distractions and vices that really, I feel, affect what I could accomplish. And I feel like I'm in a group with a lot of individuals who feel the same way. Like they know they're meant to be more, but they're just not doing it at the moment. It's just like, it feels like there's a block that you just can't overcome. But I need to try my best to just remove the things that are building that block higher and add things into my life that'll make it easier to get over. But enough of me yapping. I'm about to be arriving at my parents' house. I'm gonna load some boxes in my car, and I'm gonna wait for this person to come and remove the tints. All right, just like that, job is done. Window film removed, cleaned, ready to be returned. Took a little over an hour, 100 an hour, 80 an hour, I'll take it. Now I gotta pack some boxes, bring them to my house, get ready for work, and then go to my actual job. So let's get driving and speeding because I'm running late. All right, we're back. All right, quick $100. Shit will not shift. Quick $100. Now I gotta shoot home, get ready, go to work. And my server is actually out today, so I need to literally serve tables for the next 7 hours. But hopefully they tip me right. It's the holiday season too. I need the bread. It should be a good night. Just gotta stay positive. I hate rushing and being late so much that you think by now I would not be late and rush so much, but that's another thing. Oh, my legs. That I need a change. Anyways, about to fly to work. Running a little late, as I said. Yeah, that's about it. I'll update you guys later. And that's a wrap for my main job. Everybody left. I'm the last one here. I'm the one who closes. So now I gotta do all this paperwork. Haven't even started that yet. Probably be out of here in like 15 minutes, then 20-minute drive to the crib, but we're gonna make it like 12 or 13. I'm gonna give you guys a POV for that. I'm trying to get home, man. I'm tired. See this fucking pizza wall behind me? That's all in my head. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Anyways, let me get this done. Let me get in the car, get you guys a little cold start, and that's it, man. I'm exhausted. Never gets old. This car feels so intense at these speeds. I'm not even going that fast. It's just so loud. I can't even imagine being in like a freaking straight pipe anything V8. Like this Ford Focus wants to go fast. Let's see how fast they want to go. Oh, not that fast. Whoopsies. Alright, this Focus is going the same way as me. I think we need to smoke him. I'm not even joking right now. There's not a fucking chance in hell a goddamn Ford Focus is cooking me, bro. I'm not letting that happen. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like the way that he pulled off on me, and I couldn't catch up for that long. I only passed him because he got scared of the bumps. Holy shit, man. I need to get my money up and get a faster car. I love this fucking car. I've been driving it like this for 5 years at this point almost. But god damn, bro, this shit sounds so good, moves like that. Sounds like this, and a fucking Ford Focus stepped on it and dipped on me? You see what I mean, man? You can't have nothing nice. But see, you can't get this control with a fucking Ford Focus. But I fucking love this car. Holy shit. Wow. You see, I love it and then I hate it at the same time. The only thing I hate about it is its lack of speed. That's all. And we're home in fucking 9 minutes. God damn, that was an exhilarating drive. I needed that after a long day. Oh man, I'm freaking exhausted. I can't wait to get home. I just want to see if anybody made it this far in this video. I've been recording all day. Feels like I'm gonna have 45 minutes to an hour of footage that'll probably cut down to 20-30 minutes. And I have no idea what the actual number is gonna be because I haven't started editing yet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I got a lot of stuff coming. I got a lot of stuff planned. I promise you this time I'm not letting you guys down. If you guys want to see something, let me know. I got a little bit of a budget for Lexus videos. I got like $1,000 I'm about to drop on some parts or something. So I don't know. Could get funky. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. You watching is enough. And with all that being said, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.